So all systems go. We're going to place a new hive in this part of the garden, but we're going to take it up to the farm tomorrow morning. We're going to put another part of the hive on this stand here, and then the original will have 2 new boxes of foundation with the original queen and the flying bees and a few nurse bees, just to give a bit more bulk to this hive. So this is the queen, we've found her, and we're going to put her on this frame, and then all the flying bees will come and keep her company. So we're going to give her a frame of drawn but no eggs, no brood whatsoever in the bottom box and in the top box.
So now what we've ended up with is the queen and the worker bees and some of the nurse bees we've shaken into that hive, and they're going to start all over again now and build the hive up from scratch, and we'll follow that along in another video. Then to the right of that we have 2 boxes that came from that hive, one of which has 2 queen cells that are capped over, and in the next few days the queen or the princess will be hatching out. So they will start again with a brand new queen. And then thirdly, we have our hive here with again 2 boxes from the original hive, and in here there are no queen cells, no queen, but there are plenty of eggs and larvae, and from the eggs they will make what we call an emergency queen cell to produce their own new queen.
They're already coming up inside. So this is a mixture of old honey and water to make a 1-to-1 syrup. So that's 1 part water, 1 part sugar. And this will then get them to draw out the foundation very quickly, hopefully. And also make them survive. We've got a bit of pollen patty over there as well. Make sure that they have the right nutrition, because it's not the best of weather at the moment. Hopefully it will get drier tomorrow and the rest of the week so they can go out foraging. We should quickly tie them over. We'll leave them alone now because they're not very happy with us. We've gone into this hive to check on our queen cells. And these were capped 3 days ago when we did the split. Let's see how they're getting on. Oh, fantastic. Look at those. So we've got 2 here. So unfortunately we cannot leave 2, because then if one hatches and she sees that there's another one next to her, she either kills it or they swarm. So unfortunately we have to choose between which one to keep and which one to lose. So we've got to go through the rest of the hive now and take out all the rest of the queen cells, so there's only 1. So we've looked at this queen cell just to check whether there is actually anything inside it, and we can see there's a queen in here. So we know that this queen cell was alive. Let's hope that the other one was alive as well. There's no reason to doubt this.
It's late evening now, and as part of our treatment for Varroa we can actually tackle this particular hive, which is the hive we've split earlier on this week. Now this hive has the queen in it and all fresh comb and all the worker bees, so all the brood will be open, and the treatment we can give them, which is oxalic acid, apibiaxol, will penetrate the whole of the hive over 2 or 3 minutes and will ensure then that every Varroa mite should be killed. So we have to be very precise with the measurement for apibiaxol. It is just 1 cup of oxalic acid put into a heater tray, and then the heater tray will be placed in the hive. Now it is quite toxic, the fumes that come off this, so you have to wear a mask and goggles and be totally protected. So the whole hive has to be sealed up, so what will happen is when it's actually working, the smoke will fill the hive. There'll be a couple of leaks coming out, but on the whole it should be quite secure.